Come check us out at booth 3194. We're right next to Balzer Inc. in the West Wing, right outside of Freedom Hall. We're going to have a merchandise booth. Coltrane Energy Drink is going to be with us. The Outlaw Truck and Tractor Pullers are going to be with us as well. And we're also going to have a media center. We're going to be lining up interviews and interviewing pullers and fans throughout the day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So February 14th through the 17th, join us, Louisville, Kentucky, at the National Farm Machinery Show Truck and Tractor Pull.